Welcome to CAD-Easy. I am Manjil Sharma, and in this tutorial I am going to do analysis for a catalytic converter. So we are going to assume nitrogen as our fluid, which will go inside from the inlet. So let's start. First of all, we need to scale it down if required. Change the units to mm. Then check the mesh. Mesh check is done. This is our inlet. This is our outlet. So type will be pressure based, velocity formation will be absolute, and time will be steady. Give K epsilon, press OK. Material, you need to add nitrogen. Go to cell zone conditions for fluid, and this is substrate. This part is substrate. Go for fluid, press edit, change air to nitrogen. Press OK. So in between there is going to be porous region, so which is substrate, inside which porous region will be there. So we have to give values for that. So go for substrate, press edit, select porous, and laminar flow is going to be laminar inside the pipe. Then porous zone, so here give viscous resistance. Let's take 3.486 e power 7. For direction to 3.486 e power 10. Similarly for the direction third. For inertial resistance also we need to give value. So for direction 1, let's give 20. Then go to boundary conditions, inlet, select inlet, velocity inlet, press edit, and take velocity magnitude as 22.6 in meters per second, and take turbulence intensity of 10%, and hydraulic dia is 42. Then for outlet, pressure outlet, press edit. Then go to solution methods and click here simple. Then go to monitors and create one. Let's take mass flow rate. Add the outlet. Plot in window 2. Press OK. Then after that initialize. Give number of iterations 15. Then run calculations. Give 100 number of iterations and calculate. Solution is complete. So if you want to see the flow inside the pipe, just go to surface, ISO surface, surface of constant, select mesh. Let's take it as y coordinate. Take ISO value as 0 and create. Now go to graph, vectors, velocity vector, press compute, display. So you can see the velocity vector of the convector now. As you can see, the velocity is decreasing in this region and velocity is very high in this region. So I'll cancel this. Now you can see here the flow rate, streamline. If you want to animate, press this button, select the streamline. If you want to see counters, hide the streamline. Which counter you want to see, just select here. Let's say pressure counter, press apply, add. So here you can see. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.